Here at Healthy Soul, we make every single bar by hand, no machines or automation. And not that that's a bad thing, but we take a lot of pride in the fact that the bar you order and use was touched by a human that cares about your health. You'll see the imperfections on the bars, either from slicing or handling. It doesn't get more authentic than that. The Healthy Soul standard is 100% natural and organic ingredients, top down. Our tallow is rendered in Central Florida from the fat of grass-fed cattle. These cows are humanely raised and are from various small farms across the country. Our olive oil is single source, extra virgin, cold pressed, first harvest, organic. Our unrefined coconut oil is also organic and sustainably sourced. For fragrance, we don't cheap out by using synthetic ingredients, but instead use natural essential oils from flowers, plants, and roots. We think it's worth every dollar when you consider how safe essential oils are compared to synthetic fragrances. I don't know if you've noticed by now, but we pay very close attention to our ingredients and their sourcing. Integrity is a non-negotiable value of ours. Lye is what changes the fatty acids in our oils and turns them into soap. This same chemical is what people thousands of years ago used in soap making. After curing for 4 weeks in a clean and well-ventilated area, our bars are fully cured with no lye remaining in them. What you have left is a delectable bar of soap that will give you a cleansing experience like no other. Hormone healthy, good for you skincare, made with ingredients you can eat.